KSL FM Midvale, KSL Salt Lake City, KSL News Radio 102.7 FM and 1160 AM. Utah's news, traffic, and weather station.
Statement made in today's program. Again Saturday. You're listening to ABC News.
Investing in bonds involves risk, including the possible loss of principal.
He's going to make some shots, which is great.
Looks to me to be his personal shopper.
All night.
And care about. Today we are going to discuss how to achieve optimal memory and have healthy...
I was coming out of the drugstore there into the L. It was around 12:30.